Hi, my name is Sambit Mukherjee and welcome to my YouTube channel SM360 Degrees Let's Discover. In this channel, you will find me exploring various Pune localities and various Indian tourist places. I also upload videos on unpacking new useful items. I would like to thank all of you people who have already subscribed my channel SM360 Degrees Let's Discover, and if you're one of those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, request you to please go ahead and subscribe my channel SM360 Degrees Let's Discover right now by clicking the red color subscribe button below this video and click and enable the notification bell. I am sure you'll enjoy and find all my videos informative. In case you do, give them a thumbs up by hitting the like button below the respective videos. Share them with all your friends and family members, whomever you think needs this particular information. I have already uploaded many unpacking videos. I have visited and uploaded videos on Mumbai, Goa's Kalangote beach, Goa's beautiful snow park, Lonavala, Mahabaleshwar's various points, Panchgani's Wax Museum, Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport, Chandigarh's airport, and Zirakpur, Kashmir's Gulmarg, Srinagar, Agra, Shimla, Kufri, Kullu Manali, Solang Valley, Kolkata, and of course lots of videos related to Pune. just for you. Take the advantage and discover the raw and real beauty of all these gorgeous places. I have plans to visit more such wonderful places and very soon will be uploading them. So keep following me and my YouTube channel. I'll provide you all the links in the description box below which I have already uploaded. I enjoy very much preparing all my episodes and believe you enjoy watching them very much. That's all in this introduction episode. I'll catch you back in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Goodbye. Peace. Subscribe my YouTube channel SM360 Degrees Let's Discover by clicking my profile photo, which you'll see in couple of seconds.